Hey my friends, it's me, it's Ken. We're doing that media thing. We're on the John Lennon educational tour bus. It's a little crowded in here, but it's all sorts of equipment. It's a studio. Bands that are on the road can,
I like your approach here on that.
Can tour.
It's coming out of AES, 12 channels out of the symphony. It goes into the box. And
pictures of the great John Lennon everywhere. Imagine peace. Let's see what that is. John with peace and love. John and his picture of not wrong. And I'll be putting a bunch of things together for this, so I just gotta stop and record. Okay, keeping some more video going. Here we are. These gentlemen go by.
I'm being dramatic about it, but it was very tough coordinating cameras. Cinematic Dolby.
Here's a picture of Ringo.
Yeah, and all this stuff. We didn't have
And a cool drum set.
I'm just not a mental guy. It's okay.
I'll spare you all from me sitting down and playing a little drum.
Take a look. You also see the bunk beds are back here.
Very cool.
This is where the crew stays 10 months out of the year.
Music that's going to guarantee me getting a copyright strike. Let me take some more pictures here. So now we're in the very, very back of the bus, and you touring musicians who are friends of mine know that this is the place that you sleep and do other erroneous things. Lucky. It's really cool in here, though. It's tight, so I'm sorry that I'm back and forthing with this here. But yeah, if you've never been on a tour bus, this is what it looks like in the back. It's really cool. Oh, that's the vocal studio. Sorry, that's the vocal studio, which I just heard is. It's pretty cool. So I'll put up a link for this so you can learn more about it. It's a little tricky to do in the confines of the space, but it's really cool, and I'm glad they're here. It's an educational institute called LennonBus.org. All right, let me take some more pictures, and I'll get out of the way. Thanks.